Hey, Peppy. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. Hell of a lot easier to get a fire going with the Harbor Freight blowtorch. Oh, hopefully that's it. Hi, buddy. What's up? Oh, you excited to change the oil on the Nissan? Alright, we got to change oil on that piece today. Okay, I know. I know you love changing oil. Oh boy. Okay, hello. Oh yes, hop on up. Yes. Oh yes, I love when you lick my ears. Thank you. So this has been a pretty good car for me. The only issue is I keep forgetting to order them is the damn struts. So I use the handy dandy stick. Oil still looks fairly clean, but oil's cheaper than an engine, so I like to change it often. So yeah, I'll probably get the quick jack out. The brakes are making a tiny bit of noise in the front, and I gotta look at my records. I don't remember the last time I did pads on this piece. Rear calipers and pads. Yeah, it looks like I never done front ones. I'll take a look at the calipers. I'm sure they're okay, and I'm sure the rotors are okay too. And I'll change the oil first, or while that's draining, then I'll pull the front wheels off and take a look. Alright, let's crawl underneath this fugly thing here. I can actually do the oil change on this piece without jacking it up like this, but I figure since I'm taking the wheels off and stuff, I might as well. Plug's right there, it's a 14. You always want to make sure that pop your hood, open the fill cap, and all that stuff before you drain your oil, because if you have a problem and you evacuate all your oil, then you know you're stuck. Considering this thing's old enough to drink, it's pretty good under here, I'll tell you. Alright, we're gonna let this drain and then take off the wheel. I'm gonna start with the drivers, see what it looks like over there. Look who's next to me helping me. Oh, hello, buddy. Definitely gonna need pads. Outboard pad doesn't have a lot of material left. It's right on the metal squeaky thing. So that means the inboard pad's probably shot too. I mean, I could just probably take this caliper off and do a pad slap. Yeah, I'm glad I made this little cart. That's way easier. I mean, look at this place. Yeah, same deal. These pads are pretty smoked. Alright, let me get the junk to take these calipers off. And I guess it's my lucky day. The caliper bolts are the same as the drain plug, so that works. Get a small bar here to peel these babies off. Well, the boot looks okay. Calipers are kind of spooky looking, but should be okay. Alright, so we got little, wow. It says Nissan, holy shit, how old are these? I didn't do the brakes on this, got the little clippy guys. These must be original, or they've had to have been changed at least once. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to try to push the piston back in. Let's see what happens there. The rubber boot is still pretty good. I don't see any tears in it. So there's really no point in replacing a caliper unless you absolutely need to. So I know they make tools that are probably more convenient than this, but keeping an eye on the master. I don't want it to overflow. Probably should do a brake flush on this thing while I'm at it. Yeah, I think these are reusable. I think we just need pads. Alright, let's take the other side off. That is 1 millimeter, if that. Alright, I'm going to call around, see who's got pads in stock. I'll probably just go to Napa because it's closer. Their stuff should be good. You want to go for a ride in the pickup truck? You do? Okay. Okay. What? Come on. Yeah. What are you doing in the garbage can? Go ahead. Jump. What are you doing? Jump. Go. What? Come on. In. Go. We love jumping. Oh, okay, now will you go? Go ahead. In. Jesus. Okay. More four-wheel. Hillbillies in this town. Yeah. You get it with your Chevy. Woo. Dude's doing like 45. All right, got the Adaptive One hybrid ceramic. Oh man, these things are worth more than my car. Yeah, 66 bucks. Sheesh. Hopefully they make me stop better when I go to McDonald's. Time to GTFO and slap some pads, right, Pappy? You done good, Toyota. Okay, here's our fancy new pads here. They give you a little diagram. I don't know if you can see that, but they have a spot for the outer pad and then the inner pad, I guess. So, got some brake goo. Ooh, man. Paying for that fancy Napa hologram. Woo! Premium. Alright, inner, outer. Okay, so these metal brackets are not bad at all. I'm not even going to worry about it. There's no rust. They're just a little dirty. I'm just going to put some silicone, paste in here, and then we'll slap the pads on, get the caliper back in, call it good. Okay, so the red dot is the inner pad, and then blue dot is outer. It says outer, so I'm going to put a little no bind on these. Alright, we're going to squeeze this piston in more. Alright, now we'll try pushing that caliper a little bit more. I mean, I don't know, these are probably 15 foot-pounds. Alright, pad slap complete. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Oh, whoa, 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 what? Oh, you're knocking my grease over, bud. No, no. I took out a little bit more out of the master. Also, you want to make sure that you pump your brakes a little bit just to get the initial blast of brake fluid in there, and that pedal feels pretty good. So I'm gonna finish up this oil change. Let's give this piece a road test. Come on, go for a ride. I'll tell you, it feels good. And I'm only playing off-road here. Notice my wonderful tachometer. It's the only problem with these cars as they get old. The electronics starts getting a little goofy, but oh yeah. Whoo, man. These are like race pads. When you put new pads in, you don't want to go crazy slamming on them. You kind of just want to bed them in by getting up to speed and just kind of slowly braking. Ooh yeah, these feel great. Ooh, good deal. Farm fresh eggs. See if we can do the old spinaroo here. This guy killing us. My rotors seemed fine. I don't hear any strange noises. The pedal is fantastic. All right, well, another wonderful job done. So I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. You know, brake pad changing, a pad slap as they call it, is fairly easy to do. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, especially if you have a few hand tools, you know, two sockets for everything. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate if you want to subscribe. Try to kick out some more stuff for you guys. All right, thanks for watching.